Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by getting the phone ready. Make sure it's unlocked and has enough charge. Open Settings and go straight to System or About Phone. You want the build number field. If Developer Options isn't visible, tap build number 7 times rapidly until you see a confirmation. Once done, return to System and you'll see Developer Options appear. This step enables the controls you need to change USB debugging. It's necessary because debugging is hidden by default for security. Now navigate into Developer Options and scan the list for USB debugging. When you find the USB debugging toggle, tap it to turn it off. You'll get a confirmation dialog explaining what will happen, so confirm that choice. Make sure to unplug any USB cable while you do this, because an active connection can keep the device listed on a computer. After disabling, Android stops allowing ADB commands from attached hosts, unless you re-enable and reauthorize them. To finish, reboot the phone so the change fully takes effect and any lingering sessions are cleared. Once the phone restarts, reopen Settings right arrow Developer Options and verify that USB debugging remains off. For extra security, tap Revoke USB debugging authorizations to remove any previously trusted computers. If you can't find Developer Options or the toggle won't stay off, clear Settings cache or update the system. If problems persist, perform a safe restart and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.